Hello everyone, welcome to the live session of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. So I am going to give you overview of our ecom series that we have done so far. I will show you in my screen. I am going to share my screen here, and will give you tips as well. We have covered up till part 36 so far. I hope that every one of you is following the series, and you are not getting much trouble. We started from the part 1. See what we have done. I am going to give you brief overview of every part, so that for new users it will be clear, and for the old users they can review that what they have done so far. So that everything gets clear to you. So we start with the installation of Laravel 6. If you remember, we have installed Laravel 6 in the beginning, as Laravel 7 not launched at that time. So we have installed Laravel 6, and very simple thing we have done in the beginning. Just we search on net and follow these few steps to install Laravel 6. If you remember, okay, we just follow this laravel.com website to install Laravel 6. See, PHP is the main concern for us. That must be at least 7.2.5, to install Laravel 6 or even Laravel 7. For that we have installed XAMPP server. So you can install Apache server. You need to install Apache server, and we have installed XAMPP server for our Laravel, and where the version must be at least 7.2.5. And I will also show the XAMPP version that we have installed both for Mac and Windows. And see here, and if you will go to this website, you need to install the latest version of XAMPP. If you are Windows user, you can install this latest version 7.4.6 PHP version. It sports. You can even install 7.3.18. Both are the stable version. You can go for either of these two. And if you are in Linux, if you have installed Linux operating system, then you can go for these two. And if you are in Mac, you are using Mac operating system, then you can go for these two. As I am having Mac, I have installed, I think, this 7.3.18 version for my Laravel 6. And you can install your version. And after the installation, we have installed the Oauth as well. So if I will go back and see, these are the series we have started. And if I will show you that both videos we have covered. So both videos we have covered so far. You can see we have installed Laravel 6, and we have installed Oauth after that. So Oauth comes as a separate package for the Laravel 6 and even for the Laravel 7. We need to install the Oauth UI package, for the installation of the Oauth. Otherwise the Oauth will not work. It will help us to make the default login register panel. If you are going to maintain members, users in your website, then you need to install this Oauth package. So you need to follow this video right from the first video. If you are new user, you can install Laravel 7, and start from the first video, and install Laravel 7, and start installing that Oauth components and all. Watch from the first video, and then you are going to follow the other videos as well. You will not get any trouble. So after first video, after first video, we carry on with merging of the admin template to Laravel. So we have selected the admin LTE template from part 2 to 4. So I keep checking if some of my device is not connected. Hello Kiran, how are you? So now, hello Quran, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so welcome to live session, and here I am explaining. I am giving the brief of Laravel 6.7 ecom series that we have done so far, and I hope everything is clear up till now. Okay, so I am telling to part that what we have done so far and what we are going to do in future as well. Okay, so see, in first part we have installed Laravel 6 or Laravel 7. Okay, and after that, uh, see, from part 2 to 4, we have merge admin LTE template. Okay, you have seen that we able to merge admin LTE template, and this is the admin LTE template that we able to merge. Okay, we are going to do this one in detail, and at the end of the series we will also work on these charts. You can see these charts. We will pick one some of these charts as well at the end of the series, and we will make use of some of other components as well. Okay, so that we are going to do in future videos as well. Okay, so after that, see here. See, in the beginning, I have told that we able to install the Laravel 6, and now we can install Laravel 7 straight away. For the new users, they can install Laravel 7 straight away. Okay, so part 2 to 4 we have able to merge the admin LTE template, and in part 5 we have done the multi-auth setting. Okay, for the first time we are using multi-auth. We are using guard for admin and default auth for the users. Okay, so we are using separate guard and auth for the users. Okay, to give more clarity, users table is separate, admins table is separate. Okay, and we are maintaining both with the hash. Okay, hash password component. Okay, so that is much secure for us. Okay, so and okay, so see, so after part 5 we able to start the admin. Okay, so we have created the admins table with the help of migration, and we have insert the data with the help of seeding. Okay, for the first time we have done the seeding as well. Okay, so in part 7 we have done the admin login with the help of guard. Okay, you can see that we have done the admin login with the help of guard. Okay, so in part 8 we have done the Laravel validations. Okay, you can see, you can open admin controller how we have done everything. Okay, you can see login. We have done login with the admin guard. Okay, and see, we have done the Laravel validations as well. Okay, you can see the rules and custom message. These are the rules. Okay, so it really help us because this is the server side validations, and it is required everywhere in admin panel as well as in front. We are going to do the jQuery validation as well, jQuery Ajax validation as well at the front end as well, along with this validation as well. Okay, so after that, we just start working on the admin password, chain admin password. But when we reach at part 9, then upgrade comes for the Laravel 6. Now that time Laravel 7 has been launched, and we have straight away upgrade our e-commerce series to Laravel 7. Okay, and it's your choice. It's not mandatory at all. If you don't want to update, then you can skip this video. And if you have already installed Laravel 7 in the beginning, and then you can again skip this video. Okay, so this is the thing that you can do. And okay, so I am giving here brief of what we have done so far. Okay, so we continue changing the admin password, and after that we come to update admin details, and we have done update that admin photo as well. And for that we have installed the intervention package. If you remember that we have installed the intervention package, and intervention package helps not only for uploading the images, but they also help us to resize the images. And resize, you have recently seen that we able to resize our product images. So intervention package is really important. You need to install in the beginning of your series. Okay, you can see the intervention package here. If I am going to show you, this is the intervention package. Okay, so along with this other package you can see here, but we have installed this particular package for uploading the images and for resizing the images. Okay, so this thing we have done in part 13 and 14, and after that we able to do the admin sidebar. Okay, so admin sidebar we able to do that, help us to show that which thing we have selected. Okay, so I'm going to log it into the admin panel here. So okay, so this is the dashboard that we have done, and this is the update admin password and update admin details that we have done so far in our basic ecom series. And up till part 15 this basic admin panel is ready, and after that we have started working on the sections, categories and products module. Okay, so I will give you brief for these three as well. See, these are the sections module, categories module and products module, and all three sections, categories and products we have created with the help of migration, and we have inserted the data, dummy data, with the help of seeding. Okay, in all three modules we have done this thing, and we able to do the active inactive status. And you know that we have done the common function for active inactive status, so that we need not to rework again and again common function in jQuery. Okay, so you can also do that, and we have done the delete as well as a common function. Okay, so both delete and active inactive we have made the common function of jQuery, so that it will help us in future, it will help us to save the time. Okay, so we have done CRUD for the first time for the categories module, where we have done the add, edit, view, delete. Okay, all four. And we have also done the CRUD for the products module. You know that everything we have done in detail, and add, edit, view and delete for the products module as well. Okay, so so this is the thing that we have done for our ecom series. Sections, for sections comes men, women, kids section we have added. After that we able to add the categories, and I have already explained so many times that how we maintain the categories. Okay, so these are the categories that we have done so far, and we are going to add the multiple categories as well. Okay, and I have already shown the layout that we are going to make. Okay, means like I have shown you last time also, and this is the layout we are going to follow. Okay, this type of layout we want to follow, like under men, top wear will come. Okay, t-shirts, casual t-shirts, formal t-shirts, this is the layout, these are the sections. Okay, and these are the categories, and these are the subcategories. Okay, so we want to follow all this. Okay, in our ecom series. Okay, so these are the things that we have done so far. I have also explained you about relations and how to debug our code. In the last few videos you have seen that we have created the relations as well. Okay, see, we have done the belongs to and has many relations so far. Okay, but we will try to do more relations in future. We will see that how we can integrate more relations. Okay, that we are going to do. And one thing we have done every time, that to debug our code, you have already seen that how we have debug our code. Last time as well we able to debug our code. Okay, every time we need to debug our code. Okay, if you have any queries, just ask me. Okay, see this thing we have done last time. I have shown that how to debug our code. It is very easy to debug our code. See, many of my friends are having issue somewhere, like in sometimes in function, sometime in route, sometimes in view. Okay, so best way is to debug our code. Best way, like straight away first check your function that you are reaching here or not. Okay, you need to start your debug your code every time. Okay, so that you will not make any mistake. Okay, just do simple thing you need to do, like you need to test. Okay, you are reaching here. Okay, so this one is fine. And if in case this one is not fine, that you know that your route is wrong. Okay, this is your route, and you have done sometime like post. Okay, and then the issue will come. Okay, now you just enter, then the issue will come because this is the get method. Okay, it will straight away give you error. Okay, so you need to check, first of all you need to check your route that it is fine or not. Okay, so here you need to check that you have done the post route. Here you need to correct, you need to first thing that you need to take your first step, that from where you have set it. Okay, so here you will correct it. Okay, you will come to correct, and you will see that it is coming, and now you will come to your second step, that you are reaching your function. That is fine, perfect. After that you are going to check your data itself. Then you need to debug that how your data is coming up. Okay, so here you need to debug your data. Okay, like I have explained you earlier as well, that you need to debug your data like this: JSON decode, JSON encode. Okay, dollar sections, and just you need to do like this, so that you will get the complete details. If something went wrong, then you will come to know that where you have created mistake. Okay, so you can get the details like this. Okay, so now see, it is clear. You are getting the data in JSON object. Okay, because we have not passed in array, so you are getting the details of all three sections: men, women, and kids. Okay, so this is the way we can debug the code. And if you want to convert this one to array, then I have also shown you that you can simply mention here true, and it will get converted to array. Okay, now you can see that we able to convert this one to array, and array is helpful when we want to work on the array functions as well. Okay, so for products we are going to use we have used the array, and for the product attributes as well we are going to use the array. Okay, so this one we have done, we able to debug like this. Okay, so if there is no error, it is going fine. Then you need to check your blade file. Might be error in your blade file, then you need to open your blade file. You know that what data you are sending to your blade. This is the data you are sending to your blade file. Then you are going to check your sections.blade.php file, that what you have. Sometime, most of the times we used to do like this, like you are sending data. Here I am using array, and here I am using object. Okay, so here I am using object. If I will pass in array, then again the issue will come. See here, I am going to pass the data in array, then and here in blade file I am picking in object, then it will show the error. Okay, you can see the ID of non-object. Lot of the times we get this error message. Okay, and we will also get this error message if some of the variables not match. Okay, so this is the way we need to debug every time. It is necessary to debug. Okay, I am going to remove this array. Now it will work fine. Okay, so you need to debug your code like this. Okay, so it will really help you to correct your code. Okay, so this is the way you need to work on. And see, up till now I have already mentioned that we have done up till now, up till products module, we able to do everything. So in future videos we are going to work on the attributes. Okay, so this is the part of the future videos that we are going to work on. We are going to maintain our attributes. See, we are going to add the attributes for every product. See, like this is the blue casual t-shirt. So for every t-shirt, for every garment, for every clothing product, there are some attributes. Like you go to some shop and you ask for like t-shirt you ask for, then that shopkeeper will ask you that for which size you want your t-shirt, like small, medium, large, or sometimes these sizes are like the 38, 40, 42. Okay, so you will tell the particular size. So every clothing brand, every t-shirt, every cloth, every dress is having some size. Okay, okay, so those sizes we are going to maintain here in products attributes, along with the price and stock. Okay, so price and stock both vary as far as the attributes are concerned. Okay, like we have added the 4 attributes for this one: small, medium, large, and extra large, and both can have the different prices. Like in INR they can have 500, 600, 700, 800, and we are going to give them name as well. like SKU is the stock keeping unit, and we are going to name for every attribute. We are going to give some name, because there, whenever the order will come, then that particular order we are going to take from this SKU. Okay, this is the SKU. Then from this SKU, this all SKU are unique. Okay, from this SKU we will come to know about the product size, we will come to know about the product color, about the product code, about the product name. Only with this SKU, only one SKU will help you to know the complete information about the product. Okay, so this SKU is really important. Okay, in every e-commerce website this SKU must be there. Okay, so you can see SKU in every of the e-commerce website, big website like Amazon. Every website keeps SKU. Okay, so along with SKU, price and stock both vary. Sometimes you want to means reduce the price, and sometimes you want to increase the price of your product. So both we will give the update option for the admin, for our client. They can anytime they can able to update as well. Okay, so this is complete product attributes module we are going to do now in our future videos. Okay, we have done up till products. Okay, after that we will work on this one, and after that we will work on the product images as well, product gallery, product alternate images. Okay, and after that we will start working on the front end as well. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to cover in our advanced ecom series, and we are going to cover everything, all advanced topics we are going to cover. Okay, so that's all that we have done. And so if you have any queries, any of the person, Quran, if you have any queries, you can surely ask me.
No, sir, you are doing great work. I really appreciate your efforts and
Okay,
your
so
future plans.
I think that everything is clear up till now, and anytime if anyone is having any query, then surely ask me, and follow the advanced ecom series. Okay, and do follow my channel, do subscribe and join my channel. You know that it is the YouTube stack developers. Okay, so this is the channel that you can follow, and every Sunday I will try to come up, and if you have any queries I will surely try to resolve. And okay, so and do join the group as well. That will help all of us, not only me but my friends will also help you. Okay, and you can uh, post your queries here as well. If you have any queries in advanced ecom series or in basic ecom series, then you can surely ask, surely join this group as well. Okay, so both the things you can join. Okay, so that's all for now, and I hope that everything is clear to everyone. Okay, up till now. So have a nice time. Goodbye.